Prosecutors are presenting rebuttal witnesses in the triple murder trial of Lindsay Clancy. That's after the defense rested the case this morning. Their case, Clancy doesn't deny killing her 3 young children in 2023, but her attorneys argue she should not be facing criminal punishment. They claim she had postpartum psychosis, and they called 10 witnesses to testify about her mental health.
And today, an expert in postpartum disorders testified there is no evidence that Clancy was faking her symptoms of postpartum psychosis. ABC's Perry Russell has the latest from the courtroom.
On day 18 of the Lindsay Clancy trial, a leading expert in postpartum disorders testified Clancy was in a, quote, dream state when she killed her 3 children at their home in Duxbury, Massachusetts. Forensic psychiatrist Philip Resnick says on that cold January night in 2023, Clancy, quote, did not have control of her own body.
It was almost like she was a puppet and someone else was pulling the strings.
Resnick telling the jury after his review of Clancy's records, he believes she was in the throes of postpartum psychosis.
After time of the crime itself, on January 24, 2023, Ms. Clancy was frankly psychotic. So in that sense, she had a postpartum psychosis.
Resnick also testifying it appears her symptoms were genuine.
Was she faking, was she lying, or was she telling the truth? And
the results showed no evidence of faking.
hold on.
According to court records, Clancy was prescribed more than a dozen different psychiatric drugs in the months before the killings. Clancy's attorney is trying to convince the jury she should not be held criminally responsible. Prosecutors say Clancy acted intentionally. Once the defense rested, prosecutors called up a few more witnesses to try to make their case. Perry Russell, ABC News, New York.
Closing arguments in this case could be happening as early as Monday. That's according to Clancy's defense attorney.
And after that, the trial would then be put in the hands of the jury for a verdict.